Hello YouTube. It is Berbazooka. What products do not lose their useful qualities if stored in a freezer? Everyone is used to the fact that only a few products can be stored in the freezer. We will tell you what other foods are good at tolerating low temperatures and retaining all their vitamins. Nuts. If you have bought too many nuts and are afraid that they will spoil, then get them into the refrigerator. The oil that is contained inside the nuts, from this will not lose its useful qualities. And when defrosting, they will not lose their taste. Rice. Strangely enough, but rice is perfectly amenable to the process of freezing. If you cook too much and do not want to throw away, do not be afraid to freeze it. So it will retain all the useful properties and will be able to stay fresh longer. Hard cheese. Sometimes, it takes too much time to grate cheese, and it also spoils the dishes. To do this, you can grate it in advance and freeze it. So you will save your time and effort. Bananas. Bananas are very suitable for dairy summer cocktails. Of it will be easy to whip in a blender, besides, you will not need ice. Wine. If after the party you have a little wine left, do not throw it away. It is perfectly amenable to freezing. And if you do this in ice molds, it will be convenient to add them to the meat. Blocks of champagne can be added to cocktails. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.